So I got a box cluttering up my garage, clearly, but it's a good box. It doesn't say what it's from. It is a bumper in a box. Today, we're doing bumper stuff for the Jeep. Yep. So here I am, banding things, minding my own business, right? Getting my bumper together, and then boom! Boom! Do not bend, huh? Oh. Come on, good, okay. Jupe! I got Jupe stickers. We're doing a rear transformation third Wednesday. Snowing! A little bit. It counts. Wet. Got it on. Look at that. Stickers, not the greatest quality. The important thing to take away is that it says Jeep. Back to bumper stuff. Also, shout out that I got a hockey card, even though I don't really even know what hockey is. But thanks. I'll go in the box. So, where we're at. This is the rear section. Face, if you will. So obviously helps if you can clamp it. I'm using squares and a hammer to clamp and fold. So 90, 30, 40, 36 angles. It says in the manual. I'm using their website. But clamp her down, fold it up, and doing the wings now, and it's going along pretty good, I guess. So I zoomed you all the way out here. This is the face or the rear. It's just a 90-degree bend, nice and easy. The second one here is going to be 40 degrees. Then this last piece, which will be the bottom, the narrowest, 50 degrees. For these wings, shuffle on over here. You are going to be making opposites. Just make sure you don't fold two the same way. Top ones are 90-degree bends, nice and easy. Seconds are 40, and then the bottom is 50. So, getting these all bent up. Next, we're doing these bad boys, the caps, which, yeah, are these. Now, so far, it's okay. JCR is doing all right. Excuse the mess. The way we work on things here is put it on the table, move it out of the way, start a new project, finish, move that away, start another new project, finish, move it away, and that's how you end up with all of this, and that, and all of that. So, excuse the mess. These bad boys, one straight bend, easy. Rear bumper, pretty easy. Caps. They have updated the instructions twice, I think, for the Comanche bumper. The first time they had like set numbers, doesn't matter, I don't know them. Second time, or the first update, they changed the bottom fold. So the 90 stayed the same, the bottom two changed. Second update, bottom two changed again. However, the install instructions on their website say 30 and 60, I believe. So, kind of misleading. We'll see how that ends up in a minute if those don't line up with that. So, whatever. That's a later rain issue. For now, fold these bad boys. Guessing opposites again. So, each one's going to have its cap. And then we're almost there. Almost there. Ran out of... Oh! We are hopping shit today. Ran out of wire twice. I don't know why at all we have half spools of wire. That's actually quite a bit of effort to go into, but we do, apparently. So, new wire. Finished bending these up, tacked them together. Those are just 90 degrees, nice and easy. End caps, don't know if I filmed it, 15 degrees, whatever. Close enough. So we're starting to weld. I got the center all together. Gonna knock that bad boy out. No instruction to weld that in, so, you know, we'll figure it out. Also, just now realizing I do not know where to mount my license plate. Oh well. Moving on. Pretty excited. I'm no welder, in case you're wondering, but I am glad. Don't worry about that one. That one. I'm glad I get to do this, because it's going to be nice to actually practice welding something. Everything I've had to do so far has been mostly sheet metal. You know what? Yeah. Not snap the whip. So, got it tacked up, mostly. No gas also. So, you know, not the cleanest welds. So, I'm gonna run a couple more beads. My foot is currently on fire. I just welded that. Oh boy. Woo! Hot. Still. I got an hour left today, I think, and then it's beddy time. I'm gonna weld as much as I can in this next hour. Coming along though, it is really starting to snow out there, so fucking cold. So I'm just kind of hugging this to keep warm. Maybe I'll get that into place today. Yeah, I'll do that. So, that's the update. It's coming along. I only set one bag on fire. Day's not over yet. I'm pretty sure I'm deaf now. Take two. Alright, guess I'm putting a hitch in. There's a reason I'm no welder. I mean, some are okay, but let's just say it's a good thing I have grinding discs. Love the cold. Yay, winter's coming. Got some Tims, so we're good for another hour. Tips of advice. Gross. Tips of advice. If you are doing this, especially where it's cold, your best bet would be to heat up the little tabs holding the sheets together. I can't show you because I welded already and we're past it, no going back. But if it's cold and you're trying to bend it, you can snap those and your sheet will just fall apart. So, not the end of the world, just tack it together, but ease of assembly if you're able to just bend it and shape it all up for welding. So, that's one. The other is if it's just, you can't bend it, too much resistance, you can heat it up to help bend it as well. Best bet would probably be cut off wheel on a grinder, just give it a kiss and she'll fold up just fine for you. So finish welding some more before it's colder. So it's been a few days. Bumper and sticker, new. This is the JCR Crusader DIY bumper. Put the hitch in and everything. I think the last clip was welding the ends on, I believe, to the face. So, my bad. Got her all put together. It's pretty easy. Just gotta follow the degrees. Due to my not great fabricating skills, as well as I got excited and went off-roading before totally welding up the mounts. I stuffed it, scraped the entire bottom off and packed it full of mud and tweaked it. So between my shit welding and being impatient, I kind of oopsed it. So whatever, that's it for now. Parts should be coming for that right away. We can start doing a rear diff on this. But for now, that's everything all said and done. Just using some cheap rocker guard for paint, but for now, that's that. That's how she looks. So overall rating, not a terrible project or product. It kind of comes down to how shit you are at welding and stuff, but good DIY thing to do. I would recommend doing it for 350 bucks, I believe. It's not a bad little package, pretty thick. So held up the abuse other than me fucking it up a bit, which is frustrating, but not a bad little bumper. Good project. Took a couple days, you know, been busy, but boom, more parts. So can't wait to move on to the next part of this mean machine.